Dear all, welcome back for the day 2. So we'll be seeing today the Excel functions. So there's an introduction for the basic functions now. So these are all will be very basic things. Sum, average, max, and min. These are all the functions we are going to see now. So if any number is there, so anything, I'm just putting some random number in the random numbers here. So when you see, so equal, so I have to press equal. So this is a shortcut I used, so it's come directly. So equal sum, open bracket, and select all the things, close bracket. So we'll be getting the sum for any of the number here. Okay. So this will become sum. So another shortcut option is Alt equal button. So you need to press Alt and equal button. So it will select this. This is shortcut for sum. Okay. Same way we'll be using the average. So equal AVEG. AVERAGE. Average. So average of this, select all and close the bracket. So this become average of this three numbers. Whatever the number is, this become average of this numbers. And so we'll find out the maximum, the bigger number. So then we can put as a max, open bracket, and select the number ranges and close the bracket. So you'll be getting this, which is the maximum in this number. So since you are saying this much, so when we have hundreds of numbers in thing, so you can find out easily which is the maximum number in this one. Same way you can see minimum number. So min number, so select like this, and if you put, so you'll be finding the minimum number. So this is the smallest number. So we saw today how to sum it, average of number of the when you have a ranges of numbers, so you can see the average, and max is a maximum number within the list, and minimum is smallest number. Okay, so these are all 4 formulas we checked today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.